How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Insta. Make sure you're logged in into your profile and you'll need to have a certain number of followers. So make sure you're on professional mode and you have a good followers. After that, you can then go to your DM section right here. Then tap on the compose option on the top right corner. After you tap on it, right here you should find an option right besides group chat called broadcast channel. It should look something like this. So there you can see create a broadcast channel. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, all you then have to do is create a name for your broadcast channel. And after you've done that, you can choose your audience, such as your followers or a specific group. After that, all you have to do is tap on create broadcast channel to confirm and launch your new channel. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.